Sipapa Entertainment Foolish Kiras.
Good afternoon, Sipapa Entertainment Foolish Master Bolongo.
Munange the news. Sipapa yalumbye ekitebe ky'ekamookya n'akuba amasasimba wakiziba Robert Sentamu. Foolish Kiras. Mwetegereze. Mulowooza lwaki Sipapa yagenze n'akuba amasasi mu bantu? Monke one. Yabadde atalina papa musekerere. Sipapa yabadde papa Monke two.
Nange okuva omukyala bwe yamulekawo
wakeraako fayo mukuleko mugalo. Foolish Kiras. Waliwo ekirungo ekiri bakyala ababiri ekitaganya musajja kusigala nga kyekimu singa abakyala bakoze batya. You have an experiment. An experiment about the brains of Sipapa Entertainment. Sipapa no sooner had he had two wives at Ego and Segirinya store one. And no sooner had he had two wives at Ego and Segirinya store one. Sipapa nagwa eddalu. Sipapa nagwa ki? Eddalu. N'atandika n'okutambulira mu miziina. Gamba imagine. Moke one, moke one. Moke two, moke two. Stupid little kid.
Yes, Master.
You love me. Yes. I love you. And I'm waiting for nobody to say it. Kubanga tubule myezi ntono twambale ki? Brain teaser, shake your head, shake your head, shake your head. Brain teaser. Kati wabule myezi mukaaga gyokka President Museveni aveeko. Like this? Like that? Are we safe here?
Yes. Ochola, Sabi, Kakagenda, Kearo,
Tango Doi, care of Tango Doi. Because Foolish Kiras, why you should respect Tango Doi? How could you? Repeat after me.
How could you?
Repeat after me. Hold up, where is Shawnee? With the fights like those of drunkardism. Yes. Njosobola otyo okuholdinga okulonda okulimu engumi ng'ezabaki? Like this? Like that? Foolish Kiras. Sipapa Entertainment yakubye essasi ng'awerekerwa poliisi. Ati Foolish Kiras, remember, bagamba mu poliisi mulimu kawukuumi. Kawukuumi oyo tumulya. Katwebuuza where did the kawukuumi come from, Foolish Kiras? How could the person alina olugoye oluyulise atwala poliisi y'eggwanga eddamba? Omutobbolemu. Mama Fina. Mama. Kubanga abakola poliisi tebalina buzibu. Ochola doesn't have any problem with Papa's son. Sobi is not a police man. Sobi is an ISO. What is the problem with Sipapa Entertainment? Who brought Sipapa Entertainment to NRM? Mama Fi. The question is Blenitiza. Who bought Sipapa to NRM? That is a usual suspect.
Number one shirt.
A useful idiot. Idiot. Foolish Kiras, when you want to join the two sentences, we say that a useful idiot bought Sipapa Entertainment to NRM party. Kinam for useful. Foolish Kiras, do you want also a useful idiot to buy us? Don't listen. The useful is seeing now. How Jisinzira.
Not working with my t-shirt.
twagala kutambula mu t-shirt we change colors most of the time. We change color and we bathe. Ine atomanyi nsula naye stupid mubireko mu ngalo. Si papa yagenze kamwocha ng'agamba nti ye wa ghetto omutuufu. Foolish class. We want to list the elements of the true Ghettoian. The true Ghettoian. Baba wine agamba ghetto waddala. Kyokka foolish class. Nange ngamba Bob Wine si wa ghetto due to my following reasons which I'm going to air out. A ghetto man has to be a thief. Is Bobby Wine a thief?
No, neither.
Is Bobby Wine a thief?
No, neither.
A ghetto person must be working at night.
Bobby abeera na Bobby ekiro.
Takola kiro. Yabeera mu maka ge. Kitegeeza foolish class. We are finding out whether Si Papa and Bobby Wine, one of them is a ghetto youth. A ghetto youth. Foolish class. A ghetto youth. Ayina okubanga amala emyezi 2 nga tanaaba.
Naddala mu nvi.
Wadde okushavinga. Must not shave. Or slash
the hair.
Okay, foolish class. Does between Bobby and Si Papa, who is the person who does not shave or bathe? Bobby akola ki? Ekyokuna, ghetto youth must be beating wives. Ekitegeeza nti Si Papa ye wa ghetto omuki
n'ekirala era owa ghetto omutuufu alina okubanga alina enkovu nyingi.
Enkovu